Touch it.
Oh, shucks.
Why didn't catch it?
Because you. Welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. We've been kind of holding off doing this cucusa, cooking this cucusa, because we really wanted to get a video out to you all. I actually cut the grass, looked like a few days ago, and I think I must have hit the vine. I was trying to cut closer to the compost pile, and I think I actually hit the vine. It doesn't look like it, but when I'm looking at the way the vine is dying out, I think I must have did. So I had to hit it, but I can't find where I hit it. But if you look right here, we have this cucusa. It's on the vine that's still alive. So this one is a dead one. Looks like it is dying, but that cucusa, the vine on top of that, is still alive. So that's pretty high. I'm gonna back out, or maybe back out this camera so you all can see just about how high that cucusa is up there. So we don't really have a ladder to get up there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you something that me and Bevs kind of came up with. So anybody that's growing stuff up trees, if it's at a decent but unreachable height, there is a way to get to that fruit. Or even if you got like a pear tree or apple tree, there is a way using some pruners and some pipes. Let's go check it out. I'll show you what I made. It is duct tape. It's black, but it's really duct tape. I ain't gonna take this side loose, but all it is a set of pruners. And I find that the ones with the curved edge, these are the ones that I keep outside. You can tell these are older. These have been inside. So these are a little rusted, but if you got brand new ones, that's good too. And all I'm doing is, this is just some long PVC pipe that was laying around the house. And I just stick that in to a level to make sure that I can get something to tape on, because you're gonna have to tape this part and this part, because you can't tape the inside. So the only way to get it to hold is to make sure you got a lot of tape around this part, and then you can kind of connect it to this part, and I'll show you that. And that way you see when you close it, it makes that action, and all you want is that cutting action to cut your fruit. Now you're gonna have to catch the fruit, or the fruit is gonna hit the ground, but that's better than the squirrels or the bugs just eating all of it. So even if you're about to cook and it's a damaged fruit, and all I'm doing is just, see how I'm doing up high and just bringing it around. Just up high and just bringing it around. And then taping, getting some tape on that. All right, so I've shown you where the cucusa was. I've elected to let Bevs go and get it for us. So we did have to get the ladder. She's a little too short to reach all the way up there. I can do it standing up. But she feels more comfortable with the ladder, so she doesn't have to extend the pipes anymore. And anyway, it's just PVC pipe, and we got the long one. I guess it's about 12 foot, but like I showed you, we just taped the pruners to the end of it, and here she goes. Let me see if I can get a good view of this thing. Now I might have to, I don't think it's going. Let me get this way, though.
You ready? Because it's been a big foot.
I can't get, I'm trying not to get into the sun.
Oh, no.
But you're going to have to get up right on top of it. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right. Hope it doesn't break if it hit the ground. I could let this down and catch it, huh?
No, you can.
You see it? Open it up wide. Boy, that's high. All right, she had to get our old bucket off of it. So let's see. You ready, Mom?
Hopefully, this thing.
Got it up there? Crisscross it. Uh-oh, maybe.
Touch it.
Oh, shucks.
Why you didn't catch it?
Because you. Oh man.
Why you didn't catch it?
Oh. Shucks.
It's okay. They can stay like this.
So cool.
Two.
It's still big though. So let's show them the one on the ground. You gonna take that one off on the ground today or no?
Yeah, you can take it up because it's not gone.
It's gonna start turning to seeds. Let's
It's
see.
long.
It's still long. Let's see. We can tape it up. I should have caught it, but I had the video. I told you I should have put the camera down. Come on, let's get this one.
I thought it gonna help the thing to hold on to. But the thing got cut though.
So we can show them the inside, how it looks on the inside of it. It's kind of going to seed, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me back up a little bit. Yeah. Cool. What about the other one? The one that you let fall. So we got some seeds up in it. But you gonna cut around that?
Yeah, you just gotta take those seeds off and then chop it.
Alright.
So this the other one. It's long too, but it's just
curvy.
curvy.
So coming out the compost, we've gotten what?
Just check.
How many is that altogether? 4?
No, more than like 5, 6.
4 or 5 of them. Which is good. So we got them out. Tomorrow we're gonna cook it up. So we'll show y'all that. We'll do a little cooking video outside. Hopefully it's nice and cool. And hopefully I don't have anything to do. And then I'll let Bevs do her thing and show you a little Asian cuisine. A little kakusa type thing. Alright. So thank y'all for watching Louisiana Gardening Family. And
Grow, grow, grow.
grow, grow, grow.